Bridging the housing deficit in Nigeria, the federal government has expressed determination to provide affordable housing for low-income earners in Imo State. The managing director of the Federal Housing Authority said the agency will continue to collaborate with state governments to ensure access to affordable housing. Prince Oba has more.
For many Nigerians, access to decent and affordable housing remains a critical challenge. The depth of the challenge is already quite clear, according to the International Human Rights Commission that revealed more than 28 million Nigerians lack access to decent and affordable housing.
How many buildings are outside?
In a bid to address the housing deficit, the federal government is working hard to ensure low-income earners have access to affordable housing to close the gap. The Managing Director of Federal Housing Authority, Oyetunde Ojo, is not leaving any stone unturned to achieve this feat, in line with renewed hope agenda of the government.
We are going to build in partnership, in conjunction with the state. That means in design with what is happening. Once our team meet with the team of the state, then they will come out with that. But I know it can be less than about 200 to 300,000 units. You know there's a challenge. Some states, it's easier for you to get massive hectares of land. In some states, land is a critical issue. For example, in Imo State, in Lagos State, those two states, and in Rivers State, the issue of land is so critical. So, hopefully, I see us doing about 300, 500 housing estates here, in conjunction with the state government.
Finally, for me.
According to Mr. Ojo, the authority plans to build carcass and allow off-takers to do the finishing, and this must be in line with the needs of the prospective owners.
Decided we're going to build carcass and let the off-takers or the owners of the house do the finishing. Why do you impose finishing on people? If somebody decides he's going to use a tile of 2 naira, and somebody decides he wants to use the tiles of 200 naira, allow that person. But we will do the exteriors, the doors, the windows, the infrastructure. Then in it, we'll do the electrical and the plumbing. But in terms of the finishing, we would allow every homeowner to do that, and the cost will be down.
As government works towards closing the housing gap, it is clearly suggests that the government cannot address the challenge alone, and that only a collaboration between the government and private sector players will be adequate. Prince Oba, TVC News.